ሪፍሬሽንግ ሲሙሌት
ጉብኝት ነው
Eritrean and Ethiopian forces began their attack on the town of Axum with indiscriminate shelling, according to rights group Amnesty International.
Have you ever wondered about the dark secrets hidden within history's pages? The tragic Axum massacre offers a chilling glimpse into unreported war crimes during the Tigray War. Ethiopian and Eritrean forces entered the ancient city, leaving hundreds of unarmed civilians dead. Witnesses recount heart-wrenching tales of brutality, raising urgent calls for justice and accountability. Documentaries capturing the voices of survivors become crucial tools in unveiling these harsh realities and ensuring these stories echo through time. Remembering Axum is not just about revisiting past horrors, it's about safeguarding future humanity against unspeakable atrocities.
It said that the possible location of the Golden Ark of the Covenant is in Ethiopia at a church in Ethiopia. That brings us to the Mariam to Zion massacre. And I don't know why this isn't hitting the news. The Mariam to Zion massacre was, according to Europe External Program with Africa, EEPA, a mass murder event in Axum, Tigray, Ethiopia, during the Tigray War. 750 people hiding in the Church of Our Lady Mary of Zion, Mariam to Zion Church, were taken out and shot dead by the Ethiopian National Defense Force and Amhara militias in the square in front of the church. Why isn't this all over the news? An earlier massacre by the EDF, Eritrean Defense Forces, in which the entire city, from the bus station to the park, was covered in bodies, took place in mid-November 2020. Why isn't this all over the news? A confrontation occurred due to the people in the church believing that the soldiers wanted to take the Ark of the Covenant. Listen to me very carefully. The Ark of the Covenant is very, very powerful. And whoever holds the Ark of the Covenant holds a lot of power. But understand this: God is not mocked, and you do not take what is God's. Please do your own homework.
Erta is the site of the largest of only 5 known lava lakes in the world. Temperatures inside the cauldron are said to reach around 1,100 degrees Celsius or 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. The volcano is known locally as Smoking Mountain and Gateway to Hell. Erta is said to be one of the very few actual gateways to hell on earth. Hell, a concept we have heard about in almost every culture's mythology and popularized by the Greeks. A door to hell is a passage that leads into the underworld, where the creatures of the dead prevail, under the supervision of the god of hell. Of course, depending on the culture, this so-called god of hell is known by various names, from Hades to Lucifer. Erta was featured in the 2010 movie Clash of the Titans as an entrance to hell.